Next up, I'm going to walk you through the DC functionality of the modular device system. In this case, our DC modules are 84-volt modules, and they are located on the second and third slot. If we go up here and check the lights, we got our yellow and light blue. So I'm going to look for the yellow and light blue on here in the control unit. Click on that, and here we can see we have 4 different ways of controlling these modules. The first one is standard, where you can choose any type of voltage you want for each individual module. The second one is tracking, where you choose one voltage and each of these modules will follow that same setting. Then you got your series, where if you connect 2 modules, 2 84-volt modules together in series, you get a total of 168 volts. So here you can also see this different diagram to show how the device is meant to be connected into the modules. Then lastly, we got a parallel, where instead of getting 5 amps out of the modules, you can get a total of 10 amps. And here in the diagram, you can also see how the device is to be connected.